Live life golden, yeah, we're golden, baby girl, we're golden. They about to see us shine, cause we're golden. They can't ever break us down, cause we're golden. They about to see us glow, cause we're golden.
It's Amari here from the Three Slay Sisters, and today I'm going to the beach. This is day. What is this? Does this count as? This is day 1 at North Carolina, and right now, we're about to walk out the door. Literally, that's why I had to hurry up and tell you guys. I did my hair. I'm not trying to get it messed up, but we're going to the beach and we are gonna get it messed up. Well, I am gonna get it messed up. Well, I'm gonna try not to. But and for people who keep asking, this is my great grandmother's house. She did pass, so we try to visit her house. I tried to take a picture. And wait, hold on. Is it? Oh. But see you in the car. Oh shoot. But see you in the car. Guys, we are at Hibachi. We decided to go to the beach later because it's super hot out here. We not gonna get burnt. But see you in
Get away from the street.
Hibachi. Look at Jordan. See you in Hibachi.
When I drop, yeah, I they hung on